Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to display Shopify inventory count on product pages. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what we can do is first we need to head over to our top search bar and there you need to search for inventory, something like this. Okay, now the point to be noted here is that you're going to search that in Shopify App Store instead of Help Center. That should be kept in mind. Once you do that, you are going to be seeing that we are on to our app store, and there we need to search. We can go for any of these. So let's, like for example, we have inventory sync. Choose something with a solid rating. So this looks pretty good, and it is going to be showing you the quantity and all that stuff, and that's how easily you can display Shopify inventory count on product pages. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.